Hello everybody and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Got Suspended Clients. Today we're going to talk about how long can Amazon take for suspension reinstatement. And before we begin, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and hit the bell button to be notified the first about our new tutorials. After Amazon's notification, all we have is a full plate of problems and thoughts stuck in our heads. At first, every seller finds waiting for Amazon account reinstatement a bit challenging, but it will not take too long. Everything has its end, and so does your suspension. Let's imagine that everything is ready for your Amazon account reinstatement appeal. Sufficient information, root cause, and plan of actions. You sent your letter and now you're biding your time, waiting for Amazon's response. We know this feeling when your Amazon suspension reinstatement seemed around the corner and bang, you get a request for additional information or a merciless denial. Amazon reinstates your account usually within 30 days, but still it is individual and depends on the case. Even though we have seen cases that were reinstated within a few days or weeks, cases demanding more time are not an exception. We know how it feels and we're ready to help you, as Got Suspended helps many desperate sellers keep their heads above water when there is nothing left to do. If you don't know how to choose the right supplier, make sure you read our blogs and know more about the e-commerce world. For more information like this, you can visit our website gotsuspendedclients.com, and you may also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I will see you next time. Bye.